have arrived to Melaka. Okay, we are here, the landmark of Melaka. But it's super hot and we haven't had our lunch yet. Melaka. Okay. Seems like very quiet today. And look at all this. Oh, you Helen? And the church. And we are around Jonker Street here because we are staying around this area. Okay, we have arrived to our room. Put in first, and you know what to do. Okay, we are out from our hotel. Now we're gonna find food. Try it? Yeah. 2%. Our first meal of the trip is the chicken rice bowl. Okay, we're done with our lunch and this is the Jonker Street. It should be very happening at night here. So now we're gonna walk around. Let's go to this building and see. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. see dinner. Look at this place though. Good morning. It's the next day. We woke up late. Now we're gonna go find what, breakfast, lunch. Oh, the street food is fine. It's insane. Done with our lunch. Now we're just gonna walk around and see. We're gonna buy again. All of this antique stuff though. Look at all of this. These are all the antique neon stuff. One of the mansion, pretty beautiful though. All of this shop is so old and antique. Yes. And this is what happened here?
Hey. Pantai hả?
Where?
That's Pantai Kelabang.
Okay. What we have here? NY2? Okay, today there's more people than yesterday. Today is our last day here in Melaka. It is also the night before the Raya holiday. Now we're just gonna walk around. Yep. Gonna walk around. We also bought some things as well. Hot dog, chicken leg, buns.